Okay, here we go. The usual rest spot. No shocks on him. No crack right here. Yeah, it's all here. Let's see what's going on over here. Suspect motor. Bushes, all that stuff. The usual kind of stuff. No windshield wiper motor.
I really don't wheel and deal with the cars.
Okay.
I just fix them.
Okay, you just work on it.
Yeah. At least it ain't too bad today, huh?
Oh yeah, I heard it's been hot down here lately.
Yeah, it was hot yesterday. It was 105.
Ooh.
Yesterday around this time, it was about 95 degrees already.
So this motor right here, did it run at one point? I think he had told me they took it out of a 70 pickup truck or something. Here.
I believe it did run at one point, but I have no idea if it's
but
good
not
or not.
didn't run in this vehicle, obviously
no,
not.
No,
yeah. So Grizzly used to race this, huh?
Yeah.
So that's what they told you. Grizzly was the guy. Okay.
It's on both sides.
Oh, it's on both sides?
Yeah.
So he was drag strip racing, definitely wasn't a stock car racing it, because it would be more beat up and would have a roll cage or something like that.
It was gutted, had no seats, no door panels, nothing in it.
You told me you bought an extra car, car.
I bought a car, was cut in the back and the front, and I took the seats out, door panels, side panels. The dash was complete, it just was missing, I think, the glove box. And
I see we got it all back there. I see right there. Yeah, you basically the other one was a parts car, so you got all the essentials you needed. You know, the core foundation to do this. What condition was the floors in? I saw the picture. Where
the floors. There's only got this spot, which is pretty much normal, and that other side, that same thing. The rest of the floors are solid.
Okay. Okay. All right. So the frame of that seat was good to slide it back and forth, or still?
Yeah. All that's there. I just left it all unbolted because, like I said, the guy who left me a deposit before was like, just put everything in there, man. So I just want to pick up and go. Yeah. So we just kind of rushed and
gave him all the stuff.
Yeah.
What's going on inside the trunk? I know on the thing you said you had some back tail lights for it or something.
Yeah, I have extra lights for the back. The drive line's there. That spot. Top pan's good, obviously where the quarter's at. I mean,
so what's the deal with this engine? Any good or no good?
Yeah, it came out of a 70 pickup like 3 years ago. We pulled it out. The truck had high fees on it. It had the granny tranny. We got rid of that. And it's got the power glide. Remember I was telling you the power glide?
Yeah.
Cross members there. I would just go through that motor, honestly.
The car came with an engine sitting in it. My homeboy said, Rob, let's see if it starts up. So we bought all the necessary stuff to see if it'll fire up, so we know which direction to go with it, and go forward. It's gonna start.
Politics. This whole business is politics. 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 Politi
'63 Impala, fully registered in my name, pink slip in hand. I have the sheet metal work needed to place in it. For example, this side is going to be a patch panel piece, which I didn't buy, but I did buy the trunk pan right there. I did buy the quarter panel complete side I bought already. I bought the frame mounts here. I bought all of the under frame brackets. They're in the trunk of the car. Yeah, it's a rolling chassis, a starter vehicle. It came with a 350 motor that was running. We did pull it out with a power guide transmission. It was just sitting in the car, but it did run. It's on the engine stand over there. But yeah, I'm changing my directions, focusing energies on other cars. I got too many cars. This will be posted in YouTube, giving a full description, full video of the car, everything underneath it, and everything that's inside of it. Yeah, so '63 Impala needs complete restoration. Good bones to get you going. This is your dream. Trying to do it on a budget. Trying to do it at home. I ain't got no time for it. 64, not for sale, don't ask. So, yeah, that's where we at with it. One other thing I may add, as I see a lot of people on the internet, they get to asking a zillion questions and then try negotiating without even seeing the car. That can get tedious with dealing with people like that, and will get you nothing but negative responses. So I suggest people who are interested, are really interested, talk real talk and have real money. Not money that you're promised to get, money you think you're going to be having. Money in hand usually moves things a lot better along in the conversation, you know. So if you're just looking, well, just look. But if you're serious, respond. We're putting it out there for about 10. Yeah, with all the parts to go with it. I think 10 is a fair number, or somewhere in that general number. But don't come with the insults. You know what they are. They ain't making no more of them. And they're getting harder and harder to find. So, I'm not trying to price gouge nobody, nothing. I'm just going to put it out there as fair market value. So, that's all I got to say about it. That's what I'm thinking it's worth. But holler back if you're interested.